we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this famous park in Barcelona, in Catalonia, Spain. We'll be looking at how to say more names of famous places to visit in Barcelona and in Spain as well, correctly. Park, that's actually the official spelling with a K, not a C or nor parque. A parque would be Spanish, but that's Park Güell. Park Güell is how the Catalans say it, so Güell, double L is like a Y if you wish, and this U is an umlaut here, is more like a W, so think of it as G-W-E-Y, Park Güell, or Park Güell is how you say it. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.